Refer to section 16 of the construction guide. Also refer to the cutting guide for dimensions for parts J and K. In this video, we are going to build the kickplate for the Murphy bed. The kickplate is made up of parts J and K. We recommend the width of part K is a minimum of 2.5 inches wide as shown in the cutting guide. Part J is attached to part K. Part K can be customized for various widths, up to 15.5 inches wide. In some cases, making part K too wide may cause the bottom of the face panel's parts I to rub on it when opening the bed. Although the kickplate is optional, it is highly recommended that you use it since it will make the bed cabinet sturdier. The kickplate will also keep the bed cabinet from possibly spreading out at the bottom over time due to weight. Also, some plywood panels may warp a little over time, so using the kickplate will help to avoid this issue. The kickplate attaches between the two cabinet's sides, parts F. The gap between the face panels and the front of the kickplate needs to be wide enough to prevent rubbing when the bed is open. This gap should be at least 3/8 of an inch. Start by placing parts J and K on your working surface. Using a stand made from scrap plywood can be handy in setting up the kickplate. To attach part J to part K, we are going to use 2-inch long finishing nails, available from any hardware store. A 1/8 inch diameter drill bit is required to pilot drill the holes for the nails. If you have a brad nail gun, it would make attaching part J to part K much easier and faster. Wood filler is also recommended to fill the nail holes. Run a bead of wood glue on the edge of part K. Place the kickplate front part J on part K. Make sure both ends are flush. The unfinished edge of part J should also be flush with part K. Drill through part J into part K. Hammer a nail into the 1/8 inch hole to secure both parts together. Drill every 10 to 12 inches along part J, then insert a 2-inch nail. After inserting all the nails, use a punch to drive the nails into the wood for the wood filler. Use wood filler to fill all the nail holes on part J. After the wood filler has dried, use a sanding block with fine-grade sandpaper, and sand the wood filler until it is smooth. The completed kickplate is now ready to be attached to the bed cabinet during the assembly of the Murphy bed. For more details visit easydiyMurphyBed.com. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video please subscribe for more upcoming great content from us.